What's up, tech fans? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a story that's shaking up the Apple world. iOS 26.2 is out, and it's packed with critical security fixes that Apple is practically begging you to install. But here's the crazy part. Almost no one is updating. We're talking about the slowest adoption rate for a major iOS update in years. So what's the deal? Is iOS 26 a massive flop? And are you putting your iPhone at risk by not updating? Stick around because we're about to break it all down. First, let's look at the numbers because they are staggering. As of January 2026, a whopping 60% of iPhone users are still running iOS 18. In contrast, only about 16% have made the jump to any version of iOS 26. So why the hesitation? Well, it seems a lot of users are calling iOS 26 the buggiest release ever. We're seeing widespread reports of lag, stuttering, and even camera issues on brand new iPhones. And then there's the controversial liquid glass design. Some love it, but many find it cluttered and distracting. The sentiment online is clear. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. And for many, iOS 18.7 is the stability king. But here's where it gets serious. By sticking with older iOS versions, you could be leaving your digital door wide open for attackers. iOS 26.2 patches over 24 security vulnerabilities, and at least 2 of them are being actively exploited in the wild. We're talking about major flaws in WebKit, iMessage, and even FaceTime that could allow attackers to gain access to your personal data. This isn't just about new features, folks. This is about protecting your privacy and security. Apple is urging everyone to update immediately, and for once, we have to agree. The security benefits alone make this an essential update. Okay, so beyond the critical security fixes, what's new in iOS 26.2? Let's check out some of the cool new features you'll get when you finally decide to update. First up, liquid glass refinements. For those of you who aren't fans of the new design, Apple has thrown you a bone. You can now adjust the transparency of the lock screen clock for better readability. Next, the all-new Games app. iOS 26 introduces a dedicated Games app, a central hub for all your gaming activities. And in 26.2, it gets even better with enhanced filtering and controller support. Then we have smarter AirDrop. Sharing files just got easier with one-time AirDrop codes for non-contacts. No more clogging up your contacts list with temporary entries. Also, urgent reminders. The Reminders app now has alarm-style alerts that will bypass focus modes, ensuring you never miss a critical task. And finally, podcast chapters and mentions. Apple Podcasts gets a major upgrade with AI-generated chapters and links to other podcasts mentioned in the episode. So, the big question, should you update to iOS 26.2? Look, I get it. iOS 26 has had a rocky start. But here's the bottom line. The security patches in iOS 26.2 are too important to ignore. If you're on an older version, you're potentially vulnerable to attacks that are happening right now. My recommendation? Back up your iPhone and make the jump. Yes, there might be some bugs, but Apple is actively working on fixes. iOS 26.3 is already in beta testing. And the new features like the Games app and smarter AirDrop are genuinely useful. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more Apple news and tips. Drop a comment below and let me know. Have you updated to iOS 26.2 yet? What's your experience been like? I read every single comment. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.